Now I am going to discuss about introduction of Angular. AngularJS is a very powerful JavaScript framework. It is used in single-page application projects. It extends HTML DOM with additional attributes and make it more responsive to user actions. AngularJS is open source, completely free and used by thousands of developers around the world. Naming overview. When considering naming things with Angular, there are really two motivations for thinking about our naming strategy. The first of these is so that I can look at an object name and understand what type of object it is. Even if we don't have any context, names can convey so much information. The good names are one of the best things I can do to simplify our development and maintenance. The second motivation is to avoid name collisions. In Angular, objects require unique names, but Angular doesn't throw an error if we name two objects the same. Instead, it will silently override one with the other. Because of this, it's important to avoid name collisions. So the first thing I want to think about is how I should name our in Angulars. I basically have two options here. I can exactly match the name of the object that our in Angulars contain, or I can use a different name. The benefit to using the same name is that when I see that in certain object is used, then it's easy in most editors and IDEs to open up that in Angulars by searching for the same name. The drawback to the method is that I might be able to convey additional information in a Angulars that I don't want in an object name. Whereas the benefit of having a different file name versus the object name is that I am free to put additional information in the name of the Angulars. I might put on a suffix that shows the type of object. The drawback to this method is that if the names vary, I might not know the name of the Angulars when I trying to open it up for editing or reading. A solid naming convention can helping us on out with this. Understanding modules. When discussing how to organize your modules in an Angular application, I first need to get a deeper understanding of what exactly is module is. Then, once I understand modules, I can begin to reason about how to organize with respect to them. Let's see the demo. First see link, then see name, that is first name, and tau wrote first name. See another hands on practical example. This example you can look Angular 2 binding example. Then see another link that is welcome to totalan.com.next message name.